We all tap the screen, guys. The least you can do for me is to tap. Mina alwande ngizokublock mangabe uyasangana. Mangabe awazi nokuthi uze kuthiweni emhlabeni, I'm gonna block you, okay? I don't like people that are negative. You don't owe me. Don't tap for me. And you have an option to Futhi, I'm not gonna entertain you. Let me just block you because we are shying. How? I say block you. Guys, triples, okay? First gift is gonna be times anything that you send here, it's gonna be times 3, okay? Let's all tap together, guys. Thank you, Yami. Let's try on the triples, guys. Thank you so much, Luami. You so tap. Thank you, Luami. Thank you, Ori. Thank you, guys. You see, we are pushing, guys. Anything, no gift.
By misuser. I think we
Thank
can.
You, Luami. Thank you, Yami. Let's try in the triples, guys.
We can add.
Guys, come on, Donatel 1. How about you, Luami? Donatel 1. Thank you, Ori. Oh, shame. So might as well you take the gains because what is this? Hey.
Penny times 3.
Yeah.
People listening a snipe. You can do this.
It's a lot, eh?
No, yeah.
You just have to read A.
Then expect so return with times 3.
Let's see. Guys, everybody tap, okay? And then we only get the points when
let's snipe. Let's snipe le 160.
You only get the points when we win. Oh, we do get them even if we lose. Really? What are the points? How do they count the points? Guys, try to snipe, okay? Guys, hey, guys, try to snipe. They might snipe. I still got broke me. Thank you so much, Yami. Thank you, Nashabag. Thank you, Yami.
Thank you, and everyone was tapping the screen.
This thing literally counts even the tabs. Guys, if we can all tap together, this thing even it counts the tabs also. Guys, tap, okay? Your taps are so important, guys. Your taps are so important. Please tap, guys, okay? We need to get legend points. You see, you have to win all the time. Your taps are so important, guys. Please tap, Shame. Your taps are very, very important, okay? First gift is gonna be times 2. Your taps are so important, guys. First gift is gonna be times 2, okay? Thank you, Ori. First gift is gonna be times 2, guys. Let's try to push together, okay? Your taps are very, very important, guys. I promise you. Let's try, guys. Anything that we have on the doubles. Thank you for tapping, okay? Thank you so much for tapping, guys. Let's all go, ne? Yo. Oh. Ish. We have 1 fragment now. Yo, and it's left. Today it's Friday. Yo. Guys, let's tap now. And 2 days to reset. When does it reset? Does it reset on a Sunday? I can see. Guys, please tap, okay? Let's try to win. It's top 11 to 20. Yeah, or thank you so much. 1 person. We need 1 big game. You see, it's also yeah. 1 last rose, guys. Can we try, guys? 1 last rose. 1 last rose, guys.
Good people, I want to buy 2 with roses there.
Guys, can we try, okay? Rose only 1.
abantu abayi-2 with roses
Thank you, Lami.
isimbali
You're on 34 njalo.
abombali good people abayi-2 now.
How are you gonna get to 20? Did you
angisho ukuthi kumele uze ube umbali good people roses.
how many points number 20 has? 1.2 million. 1.2 million. Yeah. Yuck. Everybody tap, guys, okay? We have ×2, guys. Let's try. Tina skaza samisa. Skaza fia na 1,000. Ooh.
Angazi.
Asamen, guys, on the ×2. Okay, go.
Right now.
Yo, guys, we need to win this game, okay? ×2, guys. ×2, guys. Umuntu don't tell you one, guys. You know, Oyame, but if it's an IC Clash game, it's plus 1,000 points.